the show what a jar or bar anyone concrete dim.
Man, come on, Mizzy. Most of all, you dey go marry a who for pregnant will be your mother. But the mom did well. But let's look at this guy.
The groom is sick.
Groom is sick. Our best man. This guy here is called Nana Lion. Oh, you do more Plus FM 89.9. And he show again, we're friend area. I start to 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. daily on Plus FM 89.9. But my question, I'm maybe son another. Your best friend. Me nyanko me pewa 17 na me fa onyanko. Now, some year on my wedding day. Na so ye there. Me year on my own wedding day. Na so ye there was a hospital and I there. I forget some medicine drinker. It be my wife who forgot tell. Meanwhile, no, you there with me on nada. What semi is all do. But let's continue. Nyan share zo see.
What?
Malaria.
Malaria.
Na what's malaria? Oba no ye no hu de benyin we nya malaria na. No be Africa we dey. In Africa na tuntum wo grower. Yo, mommy, also what in here? I mean, this has been the talk of the town. This commercial. Everybody is talking about it, and I decided to go into it and just see the common sense in it. I'm not doing this it is just for entertainment and for logic reasons. This was produced by my own boss. Yo, Kofas, Macho Man, go to Panama. Why do you have the bazi? On your wedding day, you go high bicycle. I can high a bicycle. 5 minutes as a quiet far, as a cottage with a broken. And yes, serious. Zamuta saying the look at the environment and a warrior wedding, a hotel, when it looks like Trasako. Now, bike in the penny, baby, on Namana and their truck.
What shot?
No, Takaria Manfu. Ha. Now, again, where's the Jana? Yo, woman, where you feel a ride bicycle, and who got time a bike and it'll be a yo, John Cena. In the yawa uba waza wotum wo order indru na azina was ba ebe mame aka bicycle awa Trasako da abaka price tobinko na yi there but you are not kwa New Town. This is hilarious.
Lufart.
Now why you do a pharmacy when you Lufart na the better I don't wash again you left right.
Jimmy no sedam pacho mate.
Don't know what Lufart be.
What shot?
When you man
Lufart.
Get here fast to CCR we do. The bike or use
what shot?
Previous another our feathers to airplane bikes. Obi said that a rubber hill over him. I shall acrylic nails and it's a bicycle though.
What shot?
A guy. Much to be our was who probably had too much. Yes, that's all called the destiny.
In detail, woman malaria and come to them.
I feel yes, serious. Okay, drink all of them. Abra, when you're queer out of the lion, you pump one on my brain and yan. When you go by your foot or your end, a way black label glass melon. Oh, brother.
What shot?
Oh, be bad. Oh, yes.
Come on to them. Lufart. A malaria drop a cup.
I say that Advert why wonders woman 11 wise of na wala wukuni ya more than puma a driner all on no wosu ginechi a makeup a brush when you can't wait. Oh sister,
Entrance Pharmaceuticals and Research Center and I Lufart a two malaria symptom.
So Lufart, I mean it's aside everything, Lufart are one of the best in drill. I mean myself, me and malaria, Lufart are sorting me out to cry. Now Lufart, were you known for some great commercials, but the second commercial is also bro.
FDA aji jadi hu krato atum se.
First advert I bet say FDA and krato. Big ups everybody. Subscribe to the channel and let's have fun. We're going to do more breakdown of TV commercials these days. It's one area, I mean, people know they look at, but Charlie, Mohon come Obi so only may draw, but more to man no man off.
Won't share.
Most of monkoto. See you.